Hello, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fit and fine. I pray for your healthy and prosperous life. Okay, now let us start with our today's class. Welcome back to our e-class of ST.JOSEPH'S Academy, Class 1, Subject Mathematics. And the topic of revision, the number of revision we will be covering today is revision number 13. Students, we have now reached our revision number 13. And how? So that is the reason which we are following throughout the session, that if we are covering one topic or two topic in our next class, we will be revising one or two topic first, and then we will move ahead with that particular day work. ऑल राइट, विच मीन्स अगर हमने एक दिन का काम किया है और एक टॉपिक ही पढ़ा है, तो हम पहले उस टॉपिक को रिवाइज करेंगे कि हमने कल क्या पढ़ा था, एंड देन वी विल मूव अहेड विथ दैट डेज रिवीजन वर्क और एनी टॉपिक. फिर उस दिन का हम काम पढ़ेंगे. So as I have mentioned many times, I am Anukriti Gupta, your mathematics teacher. Will be guiding you for revision sessions. आपके जितने भी revision sessions होंगे, I will be the teacher who will be guiding you. So if you face any difficulty or if you are stuck on any of the topic, आपको किसी भी topic में problem आती है, कोई difficult topic लगता है, then please let us know so that you can tell your mathematics teacher so that we can prepare one video solely for that topic and you understand that topic very well, जिससे आपको वो topic और भी अच्छे से समझ में आए. Okay, so we always start with quick revision. Quick revision is something in which we are revising our previous day work. So let us start with it. So in our previous class, that means yesterday or day before yesterday, what we studied. So we will be discussing that first. In our previous class, we studied the concept of zero. Like what if we are adding zero to a number, or if we are subtracting zero from the number, or if we are subtracting the same number. Right? This is very important, if we are subtracting the same number. So students, if you are confused with any of the concept between zero, अगर आप किसी भी concept पे confused हैं zero को लेकर के, please go through my previous video which is in revision number 12. I repeat, in revision number 12 you will be having a look at the concept of zero. आप कंसेप्ट ऑफ जीरो समझ पाएंगे अगर आपको जीरो के कंसेप्ट पे कहीं भी कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है. इफ यू आर अनेबल टू अंडरस्टैंड और एनीथिंग, you can just go to that video and just try to understand it. I have explained it very well, and still if you are unable to understand it, if you are unable to recall the things, and you are stuck between zero, the concept of zero, and what is this, then please let me know in the comment section, or you can directly reach out to us in school or to your mathematics teacher. We will surely be guiding you, and we will be arranging a separate video, a separate class for you to understand that particular topic. I request you to please go through my previous video, which is revision number 12 for the concept of zero. This is very easy to understand, but you need to understand it well before moving ahead. Okay, so let us start with our today's revision. So what are we revising today? Today we will be revising long form and short form. So as the name says, long form means lamba form and short form means chota form. But what is long form and short form in mathematics? We can say we have taken the longer route. If we are going to school and we are late to school, so we can say हमने आज लंबा रास्ता लिया था, the long route. और if we are early to school, हम टाइम से बहुत पहले पहुंच जाते हैं, we are the first one to reach in the class, so we took the shorter route, जो हमने छोटा वाला रास्ता लिया था. So basically this is the meaning of long and short in English. But what do we mean by long form and short form in mathematics? What do we mean by long form? How do we identify it? हम कैसे पता लगाते हैं कि हमें ये लॉन्ग फॉर्म है या फिर ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है? So today we will be learning this thing, that what is long form, what is short form, and how do we identify it. Let's discuss all the questions together now. Answer to all the questions. All the questions कौन से? That what is long form and short form. So long form is also known as expanded form, and it is something in which we break up a number according to their place value and expand it to show the value of each digit. ओके, लॉन्ग फॉर्म को हम एक्सपैंडेड फॉर्म भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, वो एक ऐसी चीज होती है जिसमें हम ब्रेक करते हैं नंबर को. ब्रेक करते हैं मीन्स वी आर नॉट राइटिंग हाफ नंबर, बट वी आर ब्रेकिंग इट टू देयर प्लेस वैल्यू. है ना, हम उसके प्लेस वैल्यू के अकॉर्डिंग उसे ब्रेक करते हैं एंड एक्सपैंड इट, और उसको लंबा करते हैं. एक्सपैंड मीन्स लंबा करना. टू शो द वैल्यू ऑफ ईच डिजिट, और हर एक डिजिट की वैल्यू को शो करने के लिए हम उसे लंबा करते हैं और हर एक डिजिट की वैल्यू दिखाते हैं कि इसकी क्या वैल्यू हुई, उसकी क्या वैल्यू हुई. सपोज आई हैव रिटन 1 1 2, तो 1 कौन सी वैल्यू है, दूसरा 1 कौन सी वैल्यू है, 2 कौन सी वैल्यू है. हाउ विल आई गेट टू नो? So for that particular thing we use long form. For example, you can see it is written 156 equals to 100. Why it is 100? Now you understand this thing because we are having worksheet directly after this, so you understand this thing very precisely. 156. So we broke it down into three parts, right? Ones, tens, hundreds. We all know this thing. This is ones. We always start from the right side. This is ones, then this is tens, and this is hundreds. Now we need to expand it. So for this one, this is hundreds, so we have written hundreds. These two values are zero at this place. जब यहाँ की प्लेस की बात कर रहे हैं तो उसके लिए ये दोनों वैल्यू जीरो हो गई. दिस इज जीरो प्लस 5. Now it is a tens place. We have to write the tens place. So this value, when we are counting the tens place, this value will become 0. So this is 50. Plus 6. 6 is at ones place. 6 जो है ones place पे है, और ones place पे हुई हुई चीज हमेशा सिंगल होती है. ठीक है, सो दिस इज सिंगल. सो दिस इज हाउ वी ब्रेक इट इनटू द लॉन्ग फॉर्म. ये शॉर्ट फॉर्म है और ये इसकी लॉन्ग फॉर्म है. ओके, नाउ लॉन्ग फॉर्म फॉर 2 डिजिट. दिस इज वंस एंड दिस इज टेंस. सो टेंस के आगे आप 0 लगाते हैं. दिस इज 40, और 8 आपके वंस प्लेस पे है, तो 8. 40 plus 8. So this is basically very easy to understand. You just have to break the numbers, और आपको you have to add zeros. All right. Now we'll understand what is the meaning of short form. Short form क्या होता है? Reducing a number based on the place value is known as short form. अब हम long form में क्या करते थे? उसे लंबा कर देते थे, ब्रेक कर देते थे. अब ये ब्रेक हुआ है, अब हमें उसे ज्वाइन करना है. ठीक है, वी विल नॉट ब्रेक इट नाउ, वी विल ज्वाइन इट, हम उसे ज्वाइन करेंगे और उसको देखेंगे कि अब ये कैसे करना है. ठीक है, फॉर एग्जाम्पल वी हैव दीज टू नंबर्स. You can see 100 plus 30 plus 4. Now this is the long form, but we need to write the short form now. So here we will write the short form. We will take 1 from hundreds place. हमने 100 की place से 1 लेंगे because we have all two more digits, 100, tens and ones. So 100 की place से we took 1. Then from 30 we will take the tens place. Tens place को ले लेंगे which is 3. We'll write 3 here. And then ones place which is a single digit. So we will take 4. So our number becomes 134, which is in short form now. Similarly, we'll have a look at the tens value, 80 plus 2. So from 80 we will take 8. So we took 8 here from 80, right? And 2, which is at ones place, we took 2. So this is basically 82. This is the short form. Long form and short form. You can see the difference. Students, you can see the difference between long form and short form. Now let us understand it with the help of a worksheet. I'll show you a worksheet and with the help of it, we'll understand the same. So long form. We'll understand long form first. What is long form? This is your worksheet for long form. So here you can see this is for short form. You need not solve this. Just focus on the worksheet given on the first page, the upper page, this one. Just ignore this page. Okay. So here we have 17. Is 17. 17 के tens place पे क्या है? 1. So we will write 1 with a 0 here because it is at tens place, क्योंकि वो tens place पे है. Plus 7. Why? Because it is at ones place. So you will write 7 here. Very easy for you students. Very easy. You have to just add a 0 if it is at tens place or hundreds place. Otherwise you write the number as it is. Okay, what if we are having 0? अगर हमारे पास 0 होगा numbers ones place पे भी, then you will write plus 0. No issues with that. Okay. Okay, I hope this is clear to you now, and you will be solving this worksheet for long form, expanded form, also known as expanded form, by yourself so that I can see what you are understanding. You all are saying yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Then I need to know what is the result. Okay, now we come to short form. So this is your worksheet for short form. ये आपकी short form की worksheet है. 100 plus 50 plus 4. Now you will take 1 from 100. So you will write H. You can see HTO, right? So you can put 1 on hundreds place. At tens place you will write 5. Why? Because it is 50. और tens place पे क्या है? 5. So you will write 5 at tens place. Then you will write 4 at ones place because 4 is written at ones place. So the number becomes 154. The number becomes 154. So you will solve all this. If you have 0 at tens place, both the number are 0. So you will write 0 here. At tens place you will write 0. Right? And if you have 2 digits, then you will write 0 at hundreds place. No issues. You are not having any 100 place here. 100 place पे कुछ भी नहीं है. Then you can write 0 at hundreds place. Or you need not write anything. You just write tens place and ones place. That's it. आपको कुछ भी लिखने की जरूरत नहीं है. आप सिर्फ अगर आपको सिर्फ टेंस और वंस प्लेस दी हुई है, आप उसी को लिख दीजिए. नो नीड टू गो ऑन फॉर अनदर थिंग. ओके ओके, लेट्स मूव to the section which is not liked by you, I know, but मैंने जैसे कि आपको लास्ट क्लास में समझाया था, it is very much important. Why it is important? होमवर्क सिर्फ बेटा करने के लिए नहीं होता है. होमवर्क आपको इसलिए दिया जाता है जिससे आपको प्रैक्टिस रहे, आपको समझ में आए और मैम को पता चले दैट यू अंडरस्टैंड द थिंग्स विच आर बीइंग टॉक टू यू. है ना? होमवर्क इज बिन गिवन टू यू नॉट जस्ट फॉर राइटिंग पर्पस और जस्ट दैट वी हैव टू गिव समथिंग टू यू. नो, it is something we give to you because of your practice. So that practice is in regulation. आप सुबह पढ़ते हो and then you have to practice it in the evening, तो आपको याद रहे, so you do not forget it. And if you will practice, you know the answer. The more you practice, the more you score. प्रैक्टिस रखोगे. सो बेसिकली होमवर्क इज नॉट फॉर यू टू बीइंग इन बुक्स ऑल द टाइम. यू हैव टू, you can play, you can jump, you can do anything you want. You just have to spend 10 minutes of your day for the homework, so that teacher also knows, get to know that what is being talked to you is being understood by you. ठीक है, जो भी मैम पढ़ा रही है वो आपको समझ में आ रहा है. दिस शुड बी मीन्स अवेयर. You should be aware of this thing, that teacher wants to know that you understand this thing or not. So for that purpose we are providing you homework. So you have to solve the worksheet given in the video, and you can solve it in your copies. I have no issues, and but practice, I request you. This is not just a command, it is a request to you to please practice daily. And please let me know the topics you are finding difficult in solving in mathematics, so before annual examination, so that we can clear your doubts, and before going to a higher class you may understand it very well and your concepts are very much clear to it. Right? So I request you to please let me know the topics also. Thank you, students, for understanding me and listening to me very carefully. Have a nice day.